Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get a slip knot in your work so that you can put the slip knot over the needle. And this is how I do a slip knot. If you already know how to do it the way you know how to do it, but this is how I do it when I'm first showing somebody how to do it. You just take the yarn. Let me pull some extra yarn out here. You take the yarn, here's the tail end, and you grab the yarn. You grab it like that. And let me show you how to do it once or twice, and then you do it. So watch me do it a couple times, and then you try it. If you try to do it with me as we go, it can get more confusing. So watch me do it, and then you do it. So you grab the yarn both in your hand, and then you stick out 2 fingers, and you'll wrap the yarn all the way around your 2 fingers, and then you drop the yarn close to your knuckles. You just drop the yarn. Then you open up your 2 fingers, and you stick your finger in and grab that strand and pull it through, and then you drop your 2 fingers out, and then you have your slip knot, and you kind of pull on the tails and it tightens it up. And I'll show you how to do that again. Okay? You let your yarn kind of dangle. There's the end of your yarn, and you grab the yarn and close your fist around it. Open up your 2 fingers. Wrap it around your 2 fingers 1 time. Drop the yarn close to your knuckles. Open your 2 fingers. Reach in between your fingers and grab that strand and bring it through. Fancy finger work. Oh yeah. Then you take your big fat 2 fingers out and you pull on the tails, and that tightens it up. And let me know if you got your slip knot. When you got your slip knot done, you put your slip knot over your needle, and then you pull on one tail or the other tail. One will tighten it and one won't do anything. If you pull on it and nothing happens, grab the other tail and pull, and that'll make the slip knot grab onto the needle. And let me know when you got that ready.